Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. After Jordan, now Diwar residents demands better ferry services. Close ferry routes from Diwar to Old Goa and Raibandar. Church appeals voters to elect secular and democratic candidates. Says voters should have right to recall their candidates if he doesn't perform. In an exclusive interview to Prudent Media, Alex Sequeira says that he is ready to get into national politics, emphasizes that government will do everything possible to protect traditional houses in CRZ. Goa BJP sings alliance tunes. Parrikar feels that alliance with MGP is necessary. Says he will speak to MGP leaders, a Prudent Media exclusive. Kolva Panchayat opened in police protection. Cite inefficiency. Say that it is better to be closed than to be non-functional. And Mumbai Football Club in their 18th round of ONGC I-League defeated Vasco Sports Club by 2-1. Now the news in detail. On Tuesday morning, villagers of Diwar closed both the ferry routes connecting their island, demanding better ferry services. People are demanding more ferry boats as traffic to the island has increased in last few years. Here is a report.
On Tuesday morning, ferry services were closed by Diwar villagers at around 8:15. Both the ferry routes at Raibandar and Old Goa connecting Diwar Island were closed. Police were also stationed at Old Goa ferry point to avoid any untoward incident. People visiting the Diwar Island were stranded at both the ferry points. However, villagers allowed sick people to use the ferry services during their agitation. People say instead of two ferries, they are provided only with one ferry boat on both the routes. They met Captain of Ports and they also tried to meet River Navigation Minister Sudhin Thavlikar in this regard, but no one came to solve their problem.
आमकां वरांची वर हांगा पासेस काडचे पडटा. आमी कितले फावटी कॅप्टन पोर्ट्सान गेले आमचे कितेंच आयकना ते. डोळेकाराक मेळ्ळे डोळेकर आमकां अपॉइंटमेंट एकूण दिना. आनी काल हांगा बोळा जाला म्हणून काल डोळेकारान आपली दुर्भाटची काय खंयची फेरीबोट काडल्या आनी हांगा धाडल्या.
एक्झॅक्टली काल बोबाव कितें जालो
हांगासर आमी मिटींग घेतली आनी बोळा केलो फाल्यां आमी हांगासर स्ट्रायक करतले म्हणून. आमकां कॅप्टनान एश्युरन्स दिले बाबा आपूण एक विथीन 15 days 2 फेरीबोटी धाडटा म्हणून. आतां 2 म्हयने जाले. 2 जानेवारीक हांगासर मिटींग जाल्ली आमची कॅप्टना कडेन. आतां 2 म्हयने जाले अजून कांयच हांगासर ना.
Former Sarpanch of Diwar, Mario Pinto, also alleged that Sudhin Thavlikar is not paying attention to the needs of Diwar residents as it falls in the constituency won by Congress.
This is the Congress constituency and he is an MGP minister of MGP party. So he is not bothered about the Diwar. You see, we are with this ferry for last 3-4 months, one ferry. You please come in the morning and see the rush. Everybody wants to cross with the cars. We have nothing against the staff. They are cooperating with us.
Mario, but what happened earlier? Because it is not only the Thavlikar, there have been previous governments. What happened to the
Previous government, if you go and have a look at the files, our previous minister for river navigation had already proposed new ferries, which the file is lying with the Honorable Chief Minister. I will request the Aam Aadmi, please look into the file and to redress the grievances of Diwar people by sanctioning the files.
Ferry services were later resumed at around 12 o'clock in the afternoon after holding talks with representatives of Captain of Ports. Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
In a major appeal just before Lok Sabha elections, Catholic Bishops' Conference of India has advised electorates to support candidates promoting secularist and democratic principles. The Christian religious body has also suggested for empowering the voters with right to recall their elected representatives on grounds of non-performance.
In a statement made by Goa Church Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrao, called the forthcoming Lok Sabha election as a decisive moment for the country. Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrao, however, said the very political system needs to be sanitized so that all citizens may find space in it and feel comfortable. The same press statement shows the appeal made by Catholic Bishops' Conference of India. The Bishops' Conference came out strongly against SEZs, exploitation of natural resources, constant disruption of assemblies and parliament by needless walkouts and adjournments, disrespect for presiding officers, passing of some bills without sufficient discussion and criminalization of politics. The Bishops' Conference has also advised to support those candidates who would protect and promote secularism and democratic commitment, enforce fundamental rights to life, liberty, equality and justice, eradicate poverty and illiteracy, uphold gender equality and abolish child labor. What can be termed as a major setback to non-performing elected representatives? An appeal is made to voters to consider those candidates who empower the electorate with the right to recall their elected representatives on grounds of non-performance, corruption and lack of personal integrity.
And regarding the members of those who are elected, they said that the citizens need to be empowered with the right to recall their elected representatives on grounds of non-performance, corruption and lack of personal integrity.
The statement further says that delay on the part of the state to act on time and deal firmly with the individuals and organizations responsible for hate campaigns, mob violence, organized attacks and wanton destruction of precious human life and public property has often been disheartening and disappointing. The increasing communal divide responsible for the frequent and widespread communal violence and forced migration where Indians live as refugees in India are instances of sheer ill governance. Select and promote candidates without any criminal record or background and having the genuine concern of youth, women and particularly of the poor and marginalized at heart. Promote communal harmony by scrupulous observation of the constitutional provisions and guarantees as well as state laws. Be ready to take immediate preventive steps and punitive action against any dissemination of divisive, hate-generating literature and campaign, communalization of politics, of defense forces, of police and of bureaucracy. Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Khandolkar and Ganesh Hotkar.
In an exclusive interview with Prudent Media, Environment and Power Minister Alex Sequeira mentioned that he has no problem to get into national politics. He mentioned that his name is being recommended to the High Command and he has no problem in leaving his cabinet berth and contesting Lok Sabha polls. He also spoke about the CRZ issue and said that government will not leave any stone unturned to save the traditional houses in CRZ.
Given an opportunity, would you like to go into central politics?
I wouldn't mind to go into central politics, although I definitely would have to think of other factors, including the family. But I think central politics is a different game altogether. If I could be of use to the nation, I 100% would not mind.
No, but why Congress is still not announcing the Goa candidates?
Congress need not have to follow whatever the BJP does.
Congress has time now. Elections are declared.
Elections may be. Congress has its own strategy. Congress has its own ways of working.
What are those ways of working?
Like for example, maybe in their wisdom, it may not be appropriate to announce a candidate as of today.
When?
They will.
When?
They will. There's time right up to the day nomination start. Case is going on. The High Court has now directed the panchayats to identify the structures that have come up after 19th February 1990.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, the panchayats did